Tip number 3. Pay attention to your sleeping position. For some people who sleep on their backs, the tongue falls backwards into the throat. There, it blocks the airways, and in turn this triggers the unwelcome snoring noises. That's why sleeping on your side is definitely a good idea. Sleeping on your stomach is not really good for you. If you find it difficult to adjust your sleeping position by yourself, you can use tools called positional therapy products. They range from anti-snoring vests to backpacks to t-shirts with inserts. The main thing is that it makes it more difficult for you to lie on your back. A foam roll or inflatable cushion insert makes this pretty uncomfortable. Special pillows can also help. They have a mean old bump in the middle, which means you can only lie on them from the side.